weekend go so far?
Weekend I go and good,
Yeah?
put in the work and the result is showing, you understand? So, big up the whole team, 8763 as usual, you know. Kenty Racing, we love what I do, you understand?
Yeah.
And I try to see if we can carry it home, you understand? We know the itches and ditches there, but it can't look good now.
Well, I know, like many others, you ran your personal best this weekend. 11-1.
11-1. Yeah.
How you feeling about that?
Well, excellent. I didn't want to go in the 10s so early because, you know, normally I go 10 AM and I'm just only as a grub, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, 11, but the PB is a good look.
Alright, I mean...
Stuff with it, so I give thanks and hold it up and then.
Alright.
Green man say we have a trouble yesterday. It seemed like the injector then black up because of the fluid we are used.
Right.
We matched out that last night, so I hope you pass.
Alright.
And, you know, make the game change. So.
Alright.
Thumbs up again. Yep, 76th Street.
Alright, Dr. Seymour. Respect.
Ziggy experiencing some problems. I hope he didn't break anything on the car.
Mr. Corey Dixon, driver of the White Evolution 4, runner-up in the Pro Modified 11-second class, was held off from the championship, but however came out and did very well, and we expect to see that car dipping down into the 10-second for the next event. Big up from Ziggy Performance, right? Big up Ziggy. No, trust me, this next racer, I honestly need just everybody, whether you know him or not, just put your hands together and welcome Mr. Seymour Anderson. Big up. No, honestly, he has a Honda engine in his Nissan B13. Everybody knows his history in drag racing. Sometimes up, sometimes down, but he kept his head up, and we see this car dipping low into the 11s, where possibly if he wasn't sandbagging, would have made a 10-second pass this weekend. Seymour, we're proud of you, and we hope to continue seeing you out here representing and carrying the level of performance that you bring and competition to the track to another level. Big up Seymour and congrats.